Hello, today we will fix the problem of direct selection tool of Adobe Illustrator and learn how to fix when anchor points not show. Let's get started. First, we will draw a rectangular shape. Now we will select the direct select tool. Here you can see the anchor point is not visible. What do we do now? No tension, we can fix this very easily. First, we will go to View from the top panel. After that, click on Show Edges or click Ctrl-H from the keyboard shortcut. Now select the Direct Select tool and see if it gets resolved or not. Here now you can see the anchor point. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe this channel for more videos like this.